ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಶ್ರೀ ಎಂ.ಬಿ. ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ and infrastructure development, Shri Priyank Kharge, Minister for Rural Development, Dr. Sudhakar, Minister for Higher Education, Shri Sharan Prakash Patil, Minister for Medical Education, Shri Dinesh Gundurao, Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Shri Sharan Basappa Dasnapur, Minister for Small Scale Industries, Shri Shivananda Patil, Honorable Minister for Textiles, Consulate Generals who are present here, officers of the government, ladies and gentlemen, friends from the media, I am delighted to address all of you today at the curtain raiser of the next Global Investors Meet of Karnataka, Invest Karnataka 2025. As you may know, Karnataka is a premier destination for global investments, being the second highest recipient of foreign development investment inflows in India, 22% in last 5 years cumulatively. The state is also a top achiever in ease of doing business index and an achiever in the Leads Index for logistics, which showcases the competitiveness of Karnataka for industries and Karnataka's dedication to promote business-friendly environment. Karnataka's gross state domestic product was $268 billion in 2023, making it the third largest state economy in India. The Karnataka per capita GSDP is the highest in the country and is higher than India's per capita GSDP. For the last 10 years, industries in Karnataka have experienced a growth rate of 9.3%. Going forward, our aim is to achieve a net sales growth rate of 15 to 16% annually to reach the goal of reaching $1 trillion GDP by 2032. I would like to highlight Karnataka's exceptional talent pool, a testament to our state's commitment to education and innovation. With over 50 universities and 230 engineering colleges, Karnataka boasts a robust educational infrastructure that nurtures talent across diverse fields. Bangalore alone boasts more than 50% of India's AI and ML professionals, reinforcing our position as a technological hub. However, our vision extends beyond urban centers. We are dedicated towards rural development, particularly Kalyana Karnataka, through focused cluster development initiatives. By establishing specialized training institutions and fostering industry partnerships in these regions, we aim to ensure equitable growth and harness the untapped potential of our rural talent. Furthermore, we are committed to balancing regional development through cluster development in Karnataka. We understand the importance of spreading economic prosperity beyond metropolitan areas, ensure that every region flourish. Through strategic cluster development initiatives, we are nurturing specialized industries in different parts of the state, leveraging local expertise and resources. We have identified clusters in different parts of the state to develop priority sectors such as electronics, auto and EV, pharmaceuticals, textiles, etc. The Global Investors Meet Invest Karnataka 2025 is a flagship investor event for the state of Karnataka. Through this event, we seek not only to showcase Karnataka's technological prowess and manufacturing excellence, but also to position Karnataka in the global stage as a leading player in the global supply chain. The ecosystem offered by the state is unmatched, be it in areas of innovation and R&D, availability of skilled labor, or ease of doing business. Therefore, it is not surprising that 400 out of Fortune 500 companies are already present and thriving in the state. Karnataka has taken a very proactive approach when it comes to policy making. Karnataka's industrial policy offers best-in-class incentives to attract investors globally, which we are now updating in line with the latest global trends. In addition to greatly enhancing the ease of doing business. Additionally, we have a host of sector-specific policies, including clean mobility policy, aerospace and defense policy, green energy, ESDM, biotech, engineering, R&D, textiles, and IT and ITES to ensure we maintain our competitiveness and continue to attract investments for priority sectors and generate employment. Through this global investors meet, we will continue to engage with the global community by bringing together business and thought leaders from a multitude of areas and sectors. We commit to setting Karnataka's development agenda in line with the global best practices and showcase our strong ability to accelerate growth by remaining growth. We will focus on now areas of growth in line with the global trends to enable growth which is tech-driven, green, inclusive and resilient. I would urge you to assist us in attracting a larger share of investments in the state of Karnataka to together achieve the goal of becoming India's manufacturing hub, and I hope you will all join us in February at the Invest Karnataka 2025 Global Investors Meet. Thank you all once again. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.